and today I'm going to show you how to mirror your Android to your TV in a really easy and simple way, without needing Chromecast, a TV box, or any of that stuff, guys. You'll be using the TV's own system, just going into a few settings, and your TV will be set up for you to mirror your phone. Without further ado, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. First, you're going to grab your TV remote, right? It should have this button here, the settings button, like this. It has a gear icon. You're going to press it and you'll enter this option here, Smart TV. Here, you'll see the option Wireless Display. Make sure this option is showing up. On mine, it only shows up when I'm on the HDMI input, when I'm watching something through HDMI or even with the TV antenna. And also remember that you need to be connected to the internet for it to work. Your phone's network needs to be the same as your TV's network for you to make this connection. And it's really simple. Just press the gear icon, right? You'll go here to Smart TV in the Wireless Display option. Click on it, and you'll see this information on your screen, right, so you can start mirroring. It has all the specifications, and down here you can see the device that shows up, look. You'll need to find this here on your phone. So, you're going to go into your phone, right? I'm going to show you the phone screen. One of these here in Settings. And usually, guys, most modern phones already come with screen mirroring as a standard feature, so you can cast or mirror your screen. Here I'm using a Xiaomi, right? Sometimes it will show up as cast, mirror, or share screen. It's going to appear for you in some way. Just make sure your phone has this feature, and then you're going to tap on cast. Here it's going to search for the device, right? As you can see, the device has already shown up here, and it's the same one that appears on the TV. I'm going to tap on the device that is found. And here the mirroring is already working. There, guys. The screen is already mirrored now. With just a few steps, you can mirror your screen. And just a reminder, your phone needs to be on the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. And remember, this TV here doesn't have an updated Android system, okay? It's an older TCL TV and I'm not using any Chromecast, just the TV's own system, and I was still able to mirror my phone to my TV. If you followed these steps, looked for this option, and couldn't find it, maybe your TV doesn't have the screen mirroring feature. What I suggest you get is a Chromecast, right? If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the video description that will let you turn your old regular TV into a modern smart TV, guys. So that's what I wanted to show you all. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. And on the end screen, guys, I'll leave 2 recommended videos for you. Just click on one of them and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. See you next time. I'm out.